All my ice cream lovers, get in here. Today we have a new ice cream recipe, so tasty, creamy and delicious. But before we delve into today's tutorial, I want to welcome you to my beautiful channel. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Let's get started. Into a clean bowl, pour in some whipping cream and whip this cream. We're going to mix or whip this until the soft peak forms, and that will be that. Next, we go in with our condensed milk. I told you that this is a simple and straightforward ice cream recipe with just 3 ingredients. Now, mix in this condensed milk until it is well incorporated, and we'll go in with our final ingredient, which is the cocoa powder. Remember, we're making chocolate ice cream, and the cocoa powder in it is what gives it a chocolatey flavor. You add your chocolate or cocoa powder and whip some more. Now scrape the sides of the bowl for everything to come together, and next we put it into a pan. At this point, after putting it into a pan and leveling it, it will be going into the freezer, and it will sit for about 6 hours so it will get frozen, and that is that. Now don't forget to cover this with a cling film. The reason why this is done is so it doesn't form ice crystals on top, or it doesn't form skin on top of it. That is why we cover it this way, and it will be going into the freezer for the next 6 hours. Now our 6 hours is over and it is out of the freezer, and our ice cream is ready. Chocolate ice cream. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, turn on your notification bells so you'll be the first to get a video as soon as I post it, and don't forget to like, share my videos and leave nice comments. Alright, this ice cream is so delicious and so tasty. Until next time, bye.